Before someone ever steps inside your home, they've already made a judgment, and it starts with your front door. Hi, we're DoorRenew. Today we're breaking down the psychology of curb appeal and how your front door quietly communicates value, care, and even trust to everyone who sees it. Studies show people form impressions in under 7 seconds, often before they realize it. When approaching a home, the eye naturally locks onto the front door, the entryway, the hardware and finish. The door becomes the emotional anchor of the entire exterior. A faded, peeling, or damaged door subconsciously suggests deferred maintenance, hidden problems inside, and lower overall home value. The viewer thinks, what else hasn't been cared for? This happens even if the interior is pristine. Your brain is wired to focus on thresholds. Doors represent safety, transition, welcome, and security. That's why new landscaping helps and fresh paint helps. But a neglected door overrides both. It's the emotional gateway to the home. When one element looks well-maintained, people assume everything else is too. A renewed front door creates a halo effect. Buyers assume HVAC is cared for. Guests feel more comfortable, and neighbors perceive higher property value. One upgrade influences perception of the whole home. Real estate agents know. Buyers often decide how they feel about a home before stepping inside. Online listings highlight the entryway. Appraisers note exterior condition. A refreshed front door can increase perceived value, reduce time on market, and improve offer confidence, all without replacing the door. Most doors are structurally sound, solid core, and properly installed. The problem is the finish. Refinishing restores color depth, sheen, protection, and visual impact. Same door, new message. What homeowners get wrong about curb appeal. Common mistakes. Spending thousands on replacement, ignoring UV damage, painting instead of refinishing. In essence, updating everything except the door. Your front door should lead the upgrade, not follow it. Your front door isn't just part of your home, it's the introduction. And the good news is, you don't need to replace it to change the story it tells. If your door is structurally sound, DoorRenew can restore its appearance in just one day. Boost curb appeal. Change first impressions. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.